Morning cyclists, this is Rick. Today is Tuesday, July 18th, 2023. I'm going to be riding the Cervella on today's bike ride. Getting a little late start. It's going to be after 9 o'clock. Moving a little slow. I watched part of the stage 18, or not 18, stage 16 time trial at the Tour de France. That wasn't what really slowed me down though. I was just moving slow today. Well, let's ride. I'm underway. 2 minutes after 9. Weather's 86 degrees, humidity 74%. It's better when the humidity is not so close to the temperature. So, street got a little busy. Mostly cloudy, winds out of the southwest at 7 miles an hour. Changing up the start of the ride a little bit, just for a touch of variety. Today's route, we're going to go south and east to Huffman. When I get to FM 2100, I'll make a decision as to whether to go to Spanish Cove Drive or not. Finding a little more green belt at the beginning of the ride. Hi. Yodeling. Another cyclist. I'm in Elm Grove Village. Riding east over Lake Houston. Over on the other side are three. Well, let's see here. 3 or 4. 4 cyclists. 5. I was wondering if I'd see any cyclists today. I have on Tuesdays past. Entering the S-curve on Fair Lake Lane. I don't think I'll see any cyclists, but just in case. Now, I'm at 20.7 miles. Time is 37 minutes after 10. Average speed is 13.4 miles an hour. Approaching FM 2100. I'm not going to ride south to Spanish Cove Drive. I made some extra loops and side streets up to this point, so we'll turn left at FM 2100 and head to